Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyanka Rajpal and today I'm gonna review my favorite skincare and fragrance brand, which is Bath & Body Works. Guys, let me tell you, the best time to buy these products is in their semi-annual sale, which offers huge discounts, and I also bought a lot of stuff and I'm gonna share what I like and what I don't like. Let me first show you my favorite fragrance from all of these products is this one, In the Stars. So it's a newly launched fragrance and I liked it so much that I ordered its travel size shower gel, then I have its hand cream, and then I have its mist also. So this is by far my best fragrance among the whole lot and I would highly recommend to try this. So guys, let me tell you how this fragrance is. So this body cream is so amazing, and it's just the I think it smells amber and starwood musk, I would say, and it's a heavenly smell. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So this is by far my best fragrance. So moving on, I have something from the newly launched aromatherapy range, and this is Sleep, which contains lavender. It's a body lotion again. So this is good for people who loves essential oils because this is filled with essential oils and it helps you relax. The fragrance is like that. I'll just show you how it looks. So this is a body lotion. It has such a strong lavender smell and I love it too, so you can check this out. So next I have this body oil, which was not available online earlier, but now it's available, and it's again from the aromatherapy range, and that is Love. So it contains jasmine and sandalwood, and this is a very good oil, I would say. I used it thrice and I am in love with it. You can see very smooth it is. So this all is from the new range. So the next I have is Warm Vanilla Sugar Body Cream. It's again a very good cream. Let me just, so it smells like baked. It smells like the girl is baked. So if you like such vanilla baked fragrance, then this is a good to go option for you. So the next I have is another body wash from again their aromatherapy range, which is Love, which contains rose plus vanilla. So this is one fragrance which I can just use, you know, for the rest of my life, and it smells so amazing. It's rose, vanilla, very soothing, very nice fragrance, I would say, and I just love their aromatherapy range. They have done so well. So I have is again from the same aromatherapy range, Sleep. This is the body wash now, not the body lotion. I showed you the body lotion, so this is the body wash now, and again a very strong lavender cedarwood smell, very pleasing for a very good bath. So I have these two body washes, which is the Forever Red. So this is a very luxurious smell, I would say. It contains pomegranate and rum vanilla, I guess. So it's a very soothing fragrance. The next is Winter Candy Apple, which I have used this much. So it's basically apple, oranges, a very fruity smell, and a little bit of vanilla kind of a fragrance, I would say. So yeah, these two are also very nice. And I have is the Hello Beautiful Diamond Shimmer. So apart from the fragrance, which is very nice, I just like the way it shows glitter on your body, like it's a shimmer. So you just rub it on your body and it will be glittery, it will be shimmer. So this is a unique thing which I found. So the next I have is something unique again, which is a pillow mist, and it's again from aromatherapy Thankful range. It contains frankincense. It's a very you know, strong and pleasing fragrance, which you can just spray on the pillow just before sleeping and you'll get a good sleep, I would say. So that's a very relaxing fragrance. And so the next thing I bought is this candle, Ocean Candle from Bath & Body Works. So this is a very smoothing fragrance. You can just put it in one corner of your room and you can feel the fragrance all around. So it's a very relaxing fragrance, I would say. So the next I have is this body polish from the Hydro range. You will find water written here, and I'll just open it. It's so soothing. I can't tell you, this body polish is just heavenly. It smells amazing. It smells, I don't know, you're sitting near the sea, watery smell, a very fresh fragrance, I would say. And it's very the texture is really good, so you can just apply all over your body as a body polish and your skin will be absolutely smooth. So a must go. So the next I have is Into the Night fragrance, which is amongst their newly launched fragrances. I have the body lotion and it smells like amber, I would say, amber, jasmine. It's a very refreshing fragrance, I would say, although its name's like Into the Night, but you can use it in daytime also. So this is also a very new and refreshing fragrance, I would say. So yeah, you can try. I ordered these two hand washes. So the first one is Warm Vanilla Sugar, which I already showed you in the body cream section, and then the other one is Watermelon Lemonade, which has a very good fragrance, I would say, just like a watermelon. So these hand washes are very soothing and has a very good texture, which leaves your hands really. Now I move on to the signature collection, which everybody must know, which is 1000 Wishes. And I have the cream, I have the body wash, which I have used just this much. So it's again a very soothing fragrance. I can't say enough for this because I think everybody already must have used this. This is the oldest, their signature collection. I have these two body mist, Amber Blush and Dark Kiss. So these are their signature collection again. Amber Blush smells exactly like amber, and Dark Kiss is also a very nice fragrance. I just tried it yesterday. Yeah, so I just really like these signature collections again. Then I have these few things I would show. This is Mad About You travel size mist. It's a very nice and I would say signature collection again. Then we have the travel size room fragrance, which I picked up from Dubai. They were not available online. So these are very nice. You just spray it all over your room and you get a very freshy fragrance. Then I have this hand cream, which is Stress Relief, again from their aromatherapy range. It has a very strong smell. So I don't like this smell so much. Maybe some people who like very strong, and because it contains spearmint, so I don't like mint smell a lot. So maybe if you like mint smell, you would love it. And then I have this sanitizer, which is very essential these days. So you can go for these also. This I have not opened yet. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share among your friends, and tell me which fragrance did you like the best in the comment section right